Ever wanted to make your documents look more professional? Or maybe you just want to stamp your name on your hard work? Adding a watermark in Microsoft Word is super easy, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open up your document. Now go up to the top menu and click on the Design tab. See that? Over on the right, you'll find an option called Watermark. Click it. Word comes with some built-in watermarks, like confidential or draft. If those work for you, just click one and you're done. But if you want something custom, like your name or your school's logo, click Custom Watermark at the bottom of the menu. A new window pops up. Here, you've got two choices. For text, just type what you want. Maybe your name, a class, or even a cool phrase. You can change the font, size, and color to fit your style. If you want to use a picture, select Picture Watermark, hit Select Picture, and upload your image. Adjust the scale if you want it bigger or smaller, and decide if you want to wash out the image for a light, professional look. When you're happy with it, click Apply, then OK. That's it. Your watermark shows up on every page. Boom, done. So next time you need to add a watermark in Word, you'll know exactly what to do. Try it out, stand out, and make your mark.